Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will learn some daily use English sentences. So without wasting time, let's get going. First sentence ଟି ହେଉଛି ତମେ ମିଛ କାହିଁକି କହୁଛ? Why do you lie? Why do you lie? ଆଜି ବର୍ଷା ହୋଇପାରେ. It may rain today. It may rain today. ଆଜି ଛୁଟି କି? Is it a holiday today? Is it a holiday today? ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପୋଷାକ ମଇଳା ଅଟେ. Their clothes are dirty. Their clothes are dirty. ମୋ ହାତ ସଫା ଅଛି. My hands are clean. My hands are clean. ପିଲାମାନେ ଖେଳୁଛନ୍ତି. Children are playing. Children are playing. ତମ ସାଙ୍ଗ କେଉଁଠି ଅଛି? Where is your friend? Where is your friend? ତମ ବାଳ କୁଣ୍ଡାଇ ନିଅ. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. ତମ ମୁହଁ ଧୋଇ ନିଅ. Wash your face. Wash your face. ହଲ ନାହିଁ. Don't move. Don't move. ଏବେ ମୁଁ ଯାଇପାରିବି କି? May I leave now? May I leave now? ମୁଁ ତରବରରେ ଅଛି. I am in a hurry. I am in a hurry. ଏବେ ତମ ପାଳି. It's your turn. It's your turn. ମୋତେ ଶୋଷ ଲାଗୁଛି. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ମନ୍ଦିର ଅଟେ. That's a temple. That's a temple. ମୁଁ ଜିମ୍ ଯାଉଛି. I am going to the gym. I am going to the gym. ସେ ତମର କ'ଣ ହେବେ? How is he related to you? How is he related to you? ସେ 2 ଘଣ୍ଟା ହେଲା ଗଣିତ ପଢ଼ୁଛି. He has been studying maths for 2 hours. He has been studying maths for 2 hours. ଦେଖିକି ଚାଲ. Walk carefully. Walk carefully. ମୋତେ ଘରେ ଛାଡ଼ିଦିଅ. Drop me home. Drop me home. ମୋର ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରିଦିଅ. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. ମୁଁ ଆଜି ଦହି ଖାଇବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁନି. I don't want to eat curd today. I don't want to eat curd today. ମୁଁ ଆସିପାରିଲିନି. I couldn't come. I couldn't come. ଏଥିରେ ଡରିବାରେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ. There is nothing to get scared about. There is nothing to get scared about. ତମେ ଆସୁଛ କି? Are you coming? Are you coming? ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ? What is this? What is this? ଗୋଟିଏ ଢୋକ ପିଇଦିଅ. Take a sip. Take a sip. ଗୋଟିଏ କଳ ଖାଇନିଅ. Take a bite. Take a bite. ଏଇଟା ମୋତେ ଦିଅ. Give it to me. Give it to me. ତମେ ପଡ଼ିଯିବ. You will fall down. You will fall down. ଭିତରକୁ ଆସ. Come in. Come in. ଏଠିକି ଆସ. Come here. Come here. ବସିପଡ଼. Sit down. Sit down. ଠିଆ ହୋଇପଡ଼. Stand up. Stand up. ଯାଇକି ଶୋଇପଡ଼. Go and sleep. Go and sleep. ଆମ ପାଖରେ 2ଟା କାର୍ ଅଛି. We have 2 cars. We have 2 cars. ମୋ ପାଖରେ ସମୟ ନାହିଁ. I don't have time. I don't have time. ଚିନ୍ତା କରନି. Don't worry. Don't worry. ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆସ. Come with me. Come with me. ତମେ ମୋ ସମୟ ନଷ୍ଟ କରୁଛ. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. ମୁଁ ବସ୍ ଷ୍ଟପ୍ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି. I am near the bus stop. I am near the bus stop. ସେ ଶୋଇଛି. He is sleeping. He is sleeping. ତମେ ବହୁତ ଥକିଗଲା ଭଳି ଲାଗୁଛ. You seem very tired. You seem very tired. ସେ ହସୁଥିଲା. She was laughing. She was laughing. ମୁଁ ବାରମ୍ବାର ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲି. I tried again and again. I tried again and again. ଚାଲ ବସ୍ରୁ ଓହ୍ଲାଇବା. Let's get off the bus. Let's get off the bus. ତାକୁ ପହଁରିବାକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ. He is fond of swimming. He is fond of swimming. ଦୟାକରି କବାଟ ବନ୍ଦ କରିଦିଅ. Please close the door. Please close the door. ତମେ ତମ କାମ ଶେଷ କରିଦେଲ କି? Did you finish your work? Did you finish your work? ମୁଁ ଏଇ କେକ୍ କରିଛି. I made this cake. I made this cake. ମୋର ତମ ଉପରେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ ଅଛି. I trust you. I trust you. ମୋର ଫୋନ୍ କାମ କରୁନି. My phone doesn't work. My phone doesn't work. Okay everyone, that's all for today. I hope ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବହୁତ ୟୁଜଫୁଲ୍ ରହିବ. ଆଉ ଏ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରୁ କିଛି ନ୍ୟୁ ଇଂଲିଶ ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସେସ୍ ଆପଣ ଶିଖିବାକୁ ପାଇବେ. So keep learning, keep sharing and keep practicing. Bye bye.